Starting off our list at number 10, did you know that a cat's whiskers are generally about the same width as its body? Now you might be wondering, why is that? Well, these delicate sensory tools are so much more than just facial adornments. They're essentially a roadmap for a cat's surroundings. You see, a cat's whiskers are highly sensitive and can detect even the slightest changes in the environment. They help our furry friends to navigate through narrow spaces, judge distances, and even detect changes in airflow. Imagine having a built-in GPS that also senses the weather. Pretty neat, right? Moreover, whiskers also serve as a barometer for a cat's mood. When relaxed, the whiskers will remain still, but when frightened or excited, the whiskers will twitch and pivot. So next time you see your cat, take a moment to appreciate these extraordinary whiskers. Yes, those little whiskers do more than just make your cat look adorable. Number 9, cats have an extraordinary sense of hearing. Now this might come as a surprise to some of you, but cats can actually hear higher-pitched sounds than either dogs or humans. Yes, you heard it right. Their hearing range is quite impressive. While humans can hear frequencies up to around 20,000 Hz, and dogs up to 45,000 Hz, cats can pick up sounds as high as 65,000 Hz. That's almost 3 times the range of human hearing. This incredible hearing ability helps cats locate their prey, even in complete darkness. It's also why they get curious about sounds that we can't even perceive. So, why do cats sometimes seem to ignore us? Well, it's not that they can't hear us. It's just that they choose not to respond. Yes, cats are indeed selective listeners. So the next time you think your cat isn't listening to you, think again. Did you know cats spend 2/3 of their life sleeping? That's right, our feline friends are some of the biggest sleepers in the animal kingdom. The reason behind this seemingly excessive sleep habit can be traced back to their wild ancestors who had to hunt for their meals. Hunting requires bursts of intense energy, and sleep helps to conserve that energy. Moreover, cats are crepuscular creatures, which means they are most active during the dawn and dusk. This is another reason why your cat might be snoozing most of the day, and then suddenly spring into action in the early hours of the morning or late at night. And let's not forget, cats are masters of comfort. They can turn any corner, any cushion, any lap into the perfect nap spot. So if you're envious of your cat's nap schedule, you're not alone. A cat's tongue is more than just cute. It's a multifunctional tool that plays several key roles in a feline's life. This tiny organ is covered with hundreds of tiny backward-facing barbs known as papillae. These papillae are not only useful for grooming, but they also help cats to tear apart their food. Have you ever noticed how your cat's tongue feels like sandpaper? That's because of these papillae. They're made from keratin, the same stuff that makes up human hair and nails. But it doesn't stop there. Cats use their tongues for drinking too. They curl it backward to form a kind of spoon, which they then use to lap up water. It's a unique technique that's not found in many other animals. So, the next time your cat gives you a lick, remember that you are feeling a remarkable piece of natural engineering. Next time your cat licks you, remember it's not just for affection. Number 6, cats purr for more reasons than you might think. Now, we all know that familiar rumble as a sign of a content and happy cat, but there's more to it than meets the ear. Yes, a cat will purr when it's pleased, but it's also a way for mother cats to comfort their kittens. It's like a lullaby in the cat world. But here's where it gets really interesting. Cats also purr when they're stressed or scared. It's a way for them to soothe themselves, like a child sucking their thumb. Even more fascinating, cats can use their purr to heal. The frequency of their purrs, between 25 and 150 Hz, is within the range that stimulates healing in bones and other body parts. So next time you hear your cat purring, remember it's not just a sign of happiness. It can be a sign of stress or even healing. So a purring cat can be a happy cat. Cats are the ultimate night owls. Now this isn't just because they enjoy a good midnight snack. Cats have a special adaptation that gives them superior night vision. Their eyes contain a high number of rod cells, which are responsible for detecting light and dark. This makes them particularly well equipped to see in low light conditions. But that's not all. Cats also have a unique structure at the back of their eyes called the tapetum lucidum. This structure reflects light back through the retina, enhancing their vision in the dark. It's why a cat's eyes might seem to glow when light hits them at night. This incredible night vision and their natural predatory instincts make cats more active when the sun goes down. They are crepuscular creatures, which means they are most active during the dawn and dusk. Cats communicate more with humans than other cats. Now this might be surprising to some, but when it comes to communication, our feline friends have quite a few tricks up their paws. Cats are known to use a variety of methods to communicate with us humans. Vocalization, for instance, is a common one. From the soft purr of contentment to the loud meow for attention, each sound a cat makes is a unique message intended for their human companions. But that's not all. Cats also use body language to express their feelings. A raised tail signifies happiness, while a bushy tail indicates fear or excitement. Their eyes, too, play a crucial role in communication. A slow blink from a cat is considered a sign of trust and affection. So if you've ever wondered whether your cat is trying to tell you something, you can bet they are. Number 3, cats have a unique way of drinking water. Unlike dogs who use their tongues like a spoon to lap up water, cats have a more sophisticated approach. They gently touch the surface of the water with their tongue, creating a column of liquid that they quickly close their mouth around before gravity has a chance to pull it back down. This delicate ballet between the cat's tongue and water happens at an astonishing speed, up to 4 times per second. This drinking technique is not just a quirk, but a result of the cat's survival instinct. In the wild, the surface of a water source can often be a deadly trap, home to parasites and bacteria. By barely touching the surface, cats minimize the risk of ingesting harmful substances. So next time you see a cat drinking, remember, it's not just a sip, it's science. Cats have an amazing ability to survive falls. It's not a magic trick or a ninth life thing, it's pure science, and it's called the righting reflex. This is an inborn ability that cats develop when they're just about 3 weeks old. It allows them to twist their flexible bodies mid-air to land on their feet when they fall. Now how does this work? When a cat starts to fall, it instinctively knows which way is up and down. It rotates its head first, followed by its spine and finally its back legs. This swift movement ensures that the cat lands on its feet, minimizing any potential harm. But here's something even more surprising. Cats can survive falls from incredibly high places. Due to their low body volume and weight, they reach a non-lethal terminal velocity, allowing them to walk away from falls that would be fatal for many other animals. At number 1, cats are one of the few animals that walk on their tiptoes. This isn't just for show or to perfect their slinky, sly demeanor. It's actually a result of their unique physiology, specifically, their retractable claws. Much unlike dogs, who have their claws out all the time, cats have the ability to sheathe their claws when they're not in use. This is why when you see a cat walking, you don't hear the clattering of claws on the floor. The cat's retractable claws serve a handful of essential purposes. They're vital for hunting, helping cats to silently stalk their prey. They also assist in climbing, providing grip when needed and retracting to avoid unnecessary wear when not. Additionally, these claws offer protection. When a cat feels threatened, those claws come out ready for action. So the elegance you see in a cat's walk is all thanks to their unique physiology. 10 mind-blowing facts about our feline friends, from the versatility of their whiskers to the unique way they hydrate. We've uncovered the secret behind their purring, marveled at their extraordinary night vision, and even learned about their free-falling skills. Not to mention the amazing fact about their retractable claws. Who knew our furry companions were so intriguing? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts. Until next time, keep your curiosity alive.